No conté las horas, sos mi vida y sos toda mi aurora. Lo que quiero es amor, nada de compasión. No lo sé si tú sabes que te quiero pero no lo es. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Superaba lo que te hice a ti. Pasara me dijo la tristeza. Si hubiera replay cambiaría por ti, porque te amo, baby. Es que el corazón no entiende por qué hace tanto dolor. Fueron errores que te marcan y cantarán a grito la canción. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena, que fueras ajena. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no.
Hi, Russ Hess here, RussHess.com, Open Talk with Russ Hess. Hey, we're here at another adventure of Padre Island, and we are here at the beach. We're at an area we call the Cement Beach. It's a mile-long walk. It's a really nice place to go for a nature walk. Actually, it's more like you're looking at the beach, but that's okay. It's a seawall about a mile long, and it's really sits up above the beach and allows you to look out over the water. It's really kind of just a nice scenic place just to sit and relax, mainly for the people that come to the beach and actually to see the waves crashing in and that kind of thing. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to take you on that walk. You enjoy now. So this is the south end of the mile-long seawall. We call it Cement Beach. I'll show you this, how far it goes down past those two hotels, and then there's another resort. So I'm going to make my way down to the beach here and walk the beach and enjoy this from the beach side. And give you an idea of what it looks like. I'll pan around, you get to see what the seawall looks like on this side, from the water side. taking a walk on the beach here is a lot of fun. You get to see a lot of fun stuff like these guys right here sailing. Yeah, it is a blast. Check this out. Yeah. Just see them spin out at the end and then carry through. It's just a blast. Just enjoying the time at the beach is just quite a fun time. So I'm getting ready to head back to the car, and I'm heading off to Sunday services, and I will see you on the next video. You enjoy and have a great day.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.